Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I have a Midea induction cooker that is completely dead. The customer even cut the power cord in frustration. Let's find out what happened inside. The first thing I found was a blown fuse, which almost always points to a shorted bridge rectifier or IGBT. My measurements confirmed. It both are completely dead. But here is the most important part. Replacing these parts without finding the root cause will lead to repeated failure. In this video, I'll explain why IGBTs burn out, whether it's a failing 300 volts filter capacitor, loose solder joints, faulty driver circuits, or simply poor quality replacement parts. I've checked the driver transistors and everything else is solid. Let's perform a professional repair and get this unit heating safely again.